Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Are you
afternoon, ma'am.
are you able to hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So कल कोई questions दिए थे मैंने. Have you practiced them? Have you tried to solve them?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So what you do, whosoever have solved it, please take the snapshot and share on the WhatsApp group. एंड जो भी आप शेयर कर रहे हो प्लीज उस पर एक बार अपना नाम लिख देना लाइक इफ यू आर जहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है राइट दैट अनुष इवन यू दो यू आर सेंडिंग इट but write the name on the from the screenshot where you have written right Anush with the pen or like Riya is there, Abhijat is there, please write your names and send it. अगर solve नहीं हुआ है it is have some whatever thing is that if you even try to solve it even send on that so that I can get to know who is practicing them, who is trying to practice the question. हमारे पास अभी till that we have 5 minutes. Everyone will join. Till that I just see the question what you have solved it. Bhavna, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it was a postfix. The very first expression was a postfix expression.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Shall I write the question?
No, it's fine, but you didn't mention your name there in the snap which you have sent it. बेटा मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट पे नाम लिख के मत दो जो आपका पेपर है जिस पे आप सॉल्व करे हो लाइक जहाँ पे आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करे हो, उस पे राइट गुलशन भावना लाइक दैट आई वांट इट
Okay, ma'am.
because when it will be downloaded to me it's like a piece of paper. I won't be able to recognize the things and I don't have everyone's number. Now I got like in the last 316 is there. The one who has sent it, please, before Anish only, please write your name in your there because I don't have any idea. Keshav, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Keshav, the one which you have followed this thing, na, making this putting that stack and everything. If you want to do with this method, do it in the rough side.
Okay.
ठीक है? ठीक है? Remove this expression and then did it. And Keshav, even you didn't make the syntax tree better. Same with Sachin, you also haven't made the abstract syntax tree. Which I feel, from my end, like we did now. Just I share it once. Hanji class, please share your thing. You have practiced or not. Himani, I got it. No issues. Okay, class, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What I was saying, we have one more easy method also, which I have felt like whenever you have an infix, expression, you had it. So the best way, what is to do, make this, infix what we have left subtree, root, right subtree. Rather than going for the stack, make the abstract syntax tree. Fine. From there, you can easily recognize which one is the left subtree, which is your root, which is your right subtree. And then you make the other prefix and the postfix expression if you want to make it. And हम एक काम और कर सकते हैं, like if your expression is not in the it's not in the infix, it is whether it is a prefix or the postfix. What do you do in the rough side? What is the notation for the prefix. You have root, left subtree, right subtree. क्या करो in the rough side, just roughly try see whatever the expression is there. Suppose if we look to this thing, if it is add a plus b, okay, and suppose I have a prefix thing that is plus ab. A plus ab, I know what would we think. It would be root, then left subtree, right subtree. So what we have a small equation. We can have a larger one also. So what I can do in the rough, I can just add it that infix में क्या होता है हमारे पास left, root and right. So what the thing can be infix में left, root and right. So I can easily recognize if I have a prefix equation. So I can recognize, okay, roughly this can be my root, this is my left and this is my right, and try to draft an abstract the abstract tree of that expression. And from that you can even verify the thing कि जो आपने analyze किया है whether that draft is right or not. Okay, with this stack, it's a long process to be done. But if you know root, left and right, you can easily recognize and you can easily make the things. Just give me a second, class. Just excuse me. So you got what I'm making to understand you. Rather than following that stack procedure, which is little bit, see, if you are perfect in that, then that is easy one. But everyone is, when you are doing the stack one, it may happen like if even you have if you have put a wrong one and the whole question can be the wrong in a wrong way. So it's a more easy method to go for. Right, learn the notation, what is like root, left, right, then according to that analyze what can be the root, what can be the left, what can be sub right one, and try to make the abstract syntax tree as per that. And if you find that yeah, right one, you can easily recognize the thing, then try to frame the infix. जैसे ही आप infix notation बनाओगे, you can easily recognize कि what the root which you have choose the left and the right, they are as per the apt thing which you are forming up. Do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
So for that, we can do one thing. Try to make this one minus b. Write this equation minus b plus root b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into a with the bracket. Bracket, you can ignore it. This one. The brackets which you had it, you can ignore that brackets. Everyone has written the equation?
No, ma'am. Can you repeat?
It's visible only. The question number 3, minus b plus square root b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into a. And now try to form the infix, prefix and the postfix. And don't follow the stack method or any other method. Try to form it with root, left, right. Even I have opened the screen. You can see that what is prefix, what is infix, what is postfix. And try to frame from it. Class, whosoever is sending it, I want to know that you have sent it. It's good that you have tried it. Is there anyone like you who was not able to solve it, who was thinking that when they were solving, they got stuck somewhere? You can please write your name in the chat box. And if we have a majority, then we can again do that. Did you face any problem while solving the questions? Class, I have given you one more question in the chat box. After solving the square root, you will be solving this one equation too. So that from this would be the last practice question for this topic. And after that, we will be shifting to the next topic. You have to find the infix, postfix, and the prefix notation, and you have to make the abstract syntax tree of the infix one. Third year, anyone have got the answer? The square root one, anyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you write in the chat box? or you can show it if you want. I can give you the right, or you can share the screenshot on the WhatsApp group, whosoever have solved it. Class at 2, we will be shifting to the next topic. Please, if you have any doubt, any question you want to ask, please ask. Third year, I want the answer for this one first. Minus b plus square root b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into a. I want the answer for this, please. It's already 2. The 10 minutes have been done. It's more than enough. Class solve हुआ या नहीं हुआ? Yes or no?
Ma'am, should I send it on the group?
Yeah, Ivansh, you can send on the WhatsApp group if you have solved it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I have 47 students in my class and none of one is speaking. So what should I understand? Whether it is totally you didn't understand anything, or it's like it's too much clear कि सब कुछ ऊपर से ही चला गया है. क्या scenario है class? Okay. So now let me show you the answer. See, this was the equation that was minus b plus square root b square minus 4 into. That means this was the infix notation which was given to you. So what is the infix? Always you have it. That is left subtree, root, right subtree. Fine. So after looking the right, left, right, and root, the what we say always, the operands comes down and always the operator comes the above on the roots. So what I analyze, if I said that if you see the brackets, by looking at the bracket, I seen that I have the divide sign is there, and on the divide sign, one I have LHS, another one I have RHS. So I analyze that, from this, the divide can be your root, right? Abhijat has taken the divide as this. Himanshu also did the right. Then we have Gulshan also started with the divide. So that means the starting approach, whosoever has seen me, they have opt for the right approach. Okay, class, now tell me, the ones who have solved this question, it was easy for you by choosing this method, like by selecting, if you have an infix, you can easily recognize, you can make an abstract syntax tree, and you can analyze what is root, left and right, and then you can easily from that, you can frame the prefix and the postfix. Was it easy, or it was difficult for you?
And yes, it was easy.
It was easy? Fine. So now others who haven't able to who was not able to solve it, now look there in the screen. You can see there, this was the equation. I choose the divide because it was from the operators also I have seen it is easily dividing my LHS and the RHS, and as per the precedence also, for higher precedence in the operator also, I opted the divide as the root. From that I get left and the right. The right I'm making the first because it was easy, only the two things I have, that is 2 into a. So into, that is multiplication, will be coming as the next root, and 2 and a will be coming the downwards as the child nodes, which are coming as a operands and the operator. So I think so right is clear to you. It was very much easier for analyzing the things. Fine. Now come up on the left hand side. Now I have seen here what operators I have. I have subtraction, I have addition, I have square root. Then what I had it, what I have, again I have the multiplication. So what I analyzed here, by looking this equation, this part, again I can divide this equation into the two parts, because when you do divide, when you do the fragmentation, if I say I'm dividing my task and then I'm solving it, I have higher chances for the right answer. I will be having very less chances of the error. So again, what I did from here, I divide my equation from this plus sign, again LHS and the RHS. So after this divide, the very first operator, what is coming, my root, that is plus. Fine. And then what the second, then what I will be doing, again I have looked that you have minus b, and here you have the square root, and then you have the other expressions here. So what I did here, by the choosing plus, again operands बाद में आते हैं, अगर आपके पास operators हैं तो वो पहले आएंगे. So what I did here, again what I did, I have put in the minus first and the square root. Fine. Minus and the square root. Then what I did, as soon as got the minus, what I am having it, only one operand I have, that is b, so I have written b. Okay, and here with the square root, what I have analyzed here, what I am having here in the square root, this is b squared minus 4 into a into c. So what I did from here, I have chosen again the midpoint, the mid one, that was minus. Okay, then what I did, I choose the subtraction here, and then I got b square 4 into a into c. So b square is what? B into b. So what I got here, b into b. And here with the, what I will be having, multiplication sign. And जैसे कल हमने क्वेश्चन किया था, either it can be 4 into a or it can be 4a into c. That is your wish. Fine. This will be your abstract syntax tree, and from this, making after this, you can easily recognize what is the left, what is the right, and what is the root. So when you will be making it, you can easily start framing it. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Infix is what? This is your left subtree, then you have a root, then you have the right subtree. What the prefix is always with the root, then what you have the left subtree, and then you have the right subtree. And the postfix is what? Left subtree, right subtree, and then you have your root. See, this is, we have the answer. And getting the error is very less if you're opting, if you're making the abstract syntax tree and then you're framing it. You will be having very less chances for the error. Is it clear to everyone? Each and everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now we have the next one, that is lexical syntax, or you can say the lexical analysis. We have it. Only the very first, ये कहाँ पे पढ़ा था हमने class? The lexical analysis.
Phases of compiler.
The phases of the compiler, the very first phase of the compiler is what? That is your lexical analysis or the lexical analyzer. So as you know, the very first phase is lexical analysis, and the next phase which you have, that is a syntax analysis. And the parse tree are being generated from the syntax analysis. So basically they have shown here like what is your lexical syntax when we have it. Now what is happening, you can see here the source program, you get it, that is in what, that is in high level language. Okay, it goes where, it goes to the lexical analysis, and lexical analysis then does what, they frame the tokens, or you can say the lexical units. Lexical units, yeah, tokens, that is the same thing only, the another name for that. And what are the lexical units? What they are doing, they're picking up the characters and they're specifying which one is your identifier, which one is your symbol, which one is your any other notation you had it. Then that tokens goes where, it goes to the syntax analysis. And from syntax analysis, what you got? You got the parse tree. Fine. And both of the phases are being connected to the symbol table. Fine. One, see, it is going from left to right, that is, it is giving token to the syntax analysis for the parse tree, for generating the parse tree. And then you can see again from the syntax analysis, it is going to the lexical analysis for what, if it has the next token or the next units, so it would be going to the lexical analysis, picking up the next token and coming to the syntax analysis. Fine. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the very important thing which we had it, that is the CFG. This is the last topic of this unit, and this is the question which like very important to be done, and you have very high chances for the questions there. You can get the, from this topic, even you can have the 2 marker, you can have a 5 marker, you can have a 10 marker question. Fine. So just see it what you had it here. Now understand what is CFG basically. This is just a second. Okay. Yeah. So, when we are having the language representation, or when we are working on the language and the programs, we have lots of type of grammars in it. Okay. You will be studying the TOC, theory of computation. There you would be studying about, you will be having finite automata, you would be having Turing machine, you would be having CFG, you would be having lots of type of grammars for the studying. But in our syllabus, we have only the CFG. This is the very important and the most commonly used grammar, that is CFG. CFG stands for context free grammar. कई बार आपसे यही पूछ लेते हैं in the 2 marker, define CFG. तो अगर किसी को पता है what is that CFG, that is context free grammar, then you can easily generate it. Okay, now what is a CFG basically? What the CFG actually have it is, the CFG is a grammar which have a finite set of the rules. Okay, and what this rules is doing actually, they're helping us for driving, or you can say for generating the sentences, or you can say the strings. Basically we say because as we are in the context of the grammar, we usually say the strings, but for your easiness we have given in a bracket I have given you, that is sentences. So basically what is a CFG? CFG is consisting the finite, always remember the finite set of the grammar rules for generating the strings. Is it clear? Now when you talk about the CFG, you have four things. The CFG is having quadruple. Here you have four things: V, T, P, S. Class बहुत important है. What is CFG? CFG is having, हमने कहा है ना, it is having a finite set of the grammar rules. Okay, it is a quadruple where what you have it here, V, T, P, S. ये कोई अपनी मर्जी से नहीं है कि किसी को ABCD या XYZ आप अपने आप फ्रेम कर सकते हो. No, it is a quadruple. And what are the quadruple? That is V, T, P, S. Now what is your V? V is your set of non-terminal symbol. Next question में I will be showing you and I will be telling you what are non-terminals, what are the terminals. Okay, V is your set of non-terminals symbol. जो भी आपकी ग्रामर में जितने भी non-terminal symbols होंगे, all are standing for V. ठीक है? Then T is what? T is your set of terminal symbols. या terminals कह सकते हो आप. Then you have P. What is P? P is your production rules. And production rules क्या होते हैं class? As we are saying, it is having the finite set of rules. तो वो finite set of rules क्या है? That is P. That is production rules. Is it clear? And the last is your S. S is what? S is your start symbol. जब भी हम grammar को solve करेंगे, so जो पहला starting symbol होगा, from where we will be starting, that is known as your start symbol. Is it clear? Terminal, non-terminal,
Yes, ma'am.
production rules, and start symbol. These are VTPS. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just I show you what is that VTPS. And other than that, we will be doing in the next, when I will be showing you. Now class, I tell you, like suppose this is a let take the second question, that is LG. Okay, this is, let's say you have a grammar. Okay, this G is for grammar, and it is given to you what? That S. Then you can see the arrow. Can you see the arrow? Can you see here?
Yes, ma'am.
S tends to A, S, B. And then you can see a straight line. Okay, and you have A and B. Now I just tell you, tomorrow with the word file I will be opening and I will be sharing, then step by step I will be solving for you. Now class, I just telling you here what is PT, what is VTPS. See this, जहां पे भी आप you are going with this arrow, this is all your production rules. जो भी हम step by step we are driving something, whatever we are following it, that is known as, wherever the symbol is coming, that means you are driving something, that means you are following some production rule. Fine. All the capital letters, जो भी आपके पास क्वेश्चन आएगा, जहां पे भी आपके पास कैपिटल लेटर्स हैं, that means that will be what? That will be your non-terminals. Non-terminals means जिसको आप further bifurcate कर सकते हो, further आप उसको और divide कर सकते हो. All the capital letters will be your non-terminals. Is it fine? All the capital letters, जब भी आपको क्वेश्चन मिलेगा, mention mostly क्या 99%, 99.9, all the capital letters are what? All the capital letters are the non-terminals जिसको आप further divide करोगे, and you will try to make into the terminal symbol. And all the small letters are your terminal symbol. Is it fine? Is it fine, class?
Yes, ma'am.
And mostly जब भी whenever we are solving the question, always your start symbol will be S. If it is not S, then definitely in the question it will be mentioned that this is your start symbol. Otherwise, by default and in the 99%, what is your start symbol? Your start symbol is S. So never get confused. If अगर mention नहीं है तो हमेशा हमारा start symbol क्या होगा? It will be S. And if it is something else, in the question definitely it will be mentioned that this is your start symbol. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it for today. इससे आगे हम कल करेंगे. Before that, we will be doing what is the derivation tree. What are the different approaches? What is your left derivation tree and the right derivation tree? And then we will be doing the question. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, everyone, please be ready for your attendance. And I didn't get everyone answers. The homework which I have given you to practice, whole class haven't sent the question. So I'm taking the attendance and then I will be evaluating this thing, and on the basis of that, we will get the today's attendance. So once who thought that they will not send the their question and they will be in the class and they will get the attendance, sorry, you will not, because the ones who have worked it, they have for this class they have the higher priority to get the attendance. Okay, so now everyone fast switch on your cameras. Her rows we waste every day we waste 5 minutes to just think this thing only. Please switch on your cameras, then you one by one I look to your friends. I think so okay, fine, he has switched on his camera, so now I should also switch on my camera. But ऐसे one by one you switch on your cameras. Riya, Ritik, Nikhil, Keshav, Karan, then Isha, Himanshu, Harshit, Gulshan, Bhavna, Anyush, Aman, Abhijat. Only they have switched on their cameras. दीपक मैं अटेंडेंस नहीं ले रही हूँ बेटा अभी.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rahul.
ma'am, I am having vaccination appointment, so I am at vaccination center. That's why I can't
Okay, no
prepare
issue,
my
Rahul.
camera.
Okay, no issue, Rahul.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Roll number 4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6, 8,
you. Present, ma'am.
9, 11,
Present, ma'am.
who is 11? Okay, 12, 14,
Present, ma'am.
16. Everyone switch on your cameras very fast. Don't waste the time. 16. Sleeping in the class. 18. 20. 20. 21.
Yes, ma'am.
22.
Present, ma'am.
23.
Present, ma'am.
24.
Present, ma'am.
28.
Present, ma'am. 28.
29. 32,
Present, ma'am.
33, 34, 35,
Present, ma'am. 35.
39, 48, 111,
Present, ma'am. 111.
roll number 46.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
I'm repeating the roll numbers who are absent in from CSEA. Roll number 6, 9, 12, 18, 20, 29, 33, 34, 39, 48, 46.
Ma'am, 33 is present. My issue.
Ma'am, 46 present, ma'am.
Yeah, beta. I just marked it.
And
33.
Abhi added another chat box and roll number 8 also.
Ma'am, 46 present.
8 तो मैंने बोला ही नहीं है, मैंने 9 बोला है. 46 प्रेजेंट है.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी आई मार्क 16. मैंने जिसके रोल नंबर्स बोले हैं वो तो है ही नहीं, ना उसमें 8 है ना उसमें 16 है.
मैम ये लोग मेरे को मैसेज करके कंफर्म करा देते हैं इसलिए.
Anish, you will not reply. If they are attentive in the class, they will be saying. And I am very much clear. जो मैंने first day class में बहुत clear किया था. You are in the class. I understand. I twice or even thrice I repeat the roll numbers. If you are in the class, अगर आपको issue है, network issue है, you will write in the chat box. But आप क्लास में हो और आप अपने अटेंडेंस के टाइम पे नहीं हो, even after thrice if even I'm calling your name thrice and if you're not saying present, so sorry beta, you are absent from my class. That means you were not attended in the class. And this is not the duty of the CRs that they will be, ma'am, he's there, she's there. No. Attendance CRs का काम नहीं है, attendance आप लोगों का काम है. So if you want to confirm it to me. I'm in the class and you are also in the class. Now CSEB, please be ready and no one will leave the classroom. Because daily it is happening and one day I'm really saying I will be marking whole class A and B, you will be absent. And फिर मत बोलना कि ma'am what you did. Roll number 51.
Present, ma'am.
55.
Present, ma'am.
58.
Present.
60.
60, ma'am.
61.
Present, ma'am. 61.
62.
Present, ma'am. 62.
63.
Present, ma'am. 63.
66. Then 67. 7. Where is 67?
Ma'am, present.
Sonal, who will switch on your camera? Should I switch on your camera? 71. Fine, Sonal. 71. 73. 73.
73 present, ma'am.
74. 75.
Present, ma'am. 75.
76.
Present, ma'am. 76.
85.
Yes, ma'am. 85.
86. 87.
87 present, ma'am.
88.
88 present, ma'am.
89.
89 present, ma'am.
90.
90 present, ma'am.
91. 93.
93 present, ma'am.
94.
94 present, ma'am.
95.
Present, ma'am.
98.
98 present, ma'am.
99.
99 present, ma'am.
100.
100 present, ma'am.
101, 103, 104,
104 present.
105, 106, 107,
107 present, ma'am.
108,
102 present, ma'am.
109,
Present, ma'am.
110.
110 present, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm repeating the
Ma'am,
roll numbers.
101 present. Ma'am, 101.
कौन है 101?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a network issue.
मैं बोल लूं जरा फिर रोल नंबर पे पहुंच जाती मैं.
Sorry, ma'am.
Class, now I'm repeating the roll numbers who are absent in CSE B. Roll number 66, 74, 86, 91, 103 and 106. Is it fine? Okay, class, then thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, 46 present.
Which roll number is present?
46.
Harshit, marked you present better.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. That was my mistake. I have written the absentees, but I rectified.
Thank you.